This is the entrance to the Citybox Bergen City. There's a restaurant right there. Now, if you walk that way, about 2 stops before Central Station, there is the light rail stop. So get off about 2 stops before the last stop, and you'll be getting here, rather than me pushing all the way up here, which is just stupid. Restaurant, Thai restaurant. You know what's a bonus? There's a supermarket across the road. Excellent. Now the roads, cobblestones, is not very good for my luggage. Alternatively, those roads are just as bad as well. Oh, I'll be getting near Will's my luggage soon. This is the reception at Citybox in Bergen. Now to enter, you need to enter your number. You need to enter your number, then the card come out.
Sorry, ang message kami palang gamit ng trabaho.
Oh, we'll upgrade it. We double small. Printing key. Oh, it's purple. Beautiful. No, I don't want an extra key. That's it. How you do it? Now it's very important you remember your room number, because it doesn't tell you in your card. So office, communal area, coffee, tea. You've got to pay, of course. Do you have spoons? Yes, they have spoons and forks. Book a taxi.
That's the way they're going to need. Yeah.
Say 4-8. So it's not under repair. Washing machine. Is that ironing board? Ironing board. Typical roof.
Etasje 4.
Although it says check-in, it's at 3 o'clock. I think I got my reservation about 12 or something. 11 or 12? 11 actually. So I can technically check in a bit earlier. Oh, okay. Here you go, you can iron in here. Okay, let me check if you lock the door, unlock, and when you leave, there's a lock by itself. No, it's locked. Oh, that's good. Okay, this is just a room tour. Of room 408. So I got upgraded to a double bed. Oh, there's aircon. There's a seat. I hate that chair. Oh my god, my back hurts. There's a double bed. Now that definitely won't fit my suitcase. There's also a radiator. It's unplugged, so I assume it's not working. Here's the view. Not much to write home about. So it's a bit of a walk to get to the light rail station to the hotel, but it's doable. Here's a bathroom. Oh my god, it's huge. This has got to be one of the biggest bathrooms I've ever been in. This is massive. Look at that. Compared to the room, it's literally half the size. Door. Towels. But these are usually heated tiles. Yep, it is. That's it for the room tour. No TV here. Okay, very important Wi-Fi check test. That is impressive. Come on, up laser B. That is very, very, very impressive. Wow. Only every hotel is like this. Okay, so once you're inside and you leave, the door doesn't lock itself for 60 seconds. Okay. So you can wait or tap. Now it's locked. Easy. So there's a small laundromat on level 2. That's it. 75, just like in Oslo. Except there's only one machine. One washer, one machine. Pay with your phone. Or just put that in, swipe. Not sure if laundry liquids included though. Don't know. I don't think so. You have to provide your own, maybe. Not sure. Interesting. Maybe it is provided. In the lobby, there's also a luggage storage room. Swipe to get in and press the bell to lock the room. Interesting. Here's the lobby. And a computer for your use if you bring one. Interesting. This is funny. Recycle like Greta is watching. Checkout's easy. Press that to create a storage key room and then insert the checkout. That's it. Very simple. There's a restaurant there. And a playroom or a waiting room. Guess I'll be using this to wait for my ship tomorrow. Okay, to check out. Easy.